You know what I believe? The whole world can be divided majorly into two type of people. The first are extroverts. Second are people who hate extroverts. We also call them introverts sometimes. But you get the idea, right? Yes. Yeah. Extroverts are generally people who love to live life, go out, have fun, make plans. Introverts are the ones who are happy when those plans are cancelled. I know all of this because I also identify as an introvert. Okay. You know what? We introverts, we're like the silent letters in a word. You know, we don't make a lot of noise. Not a lot of people notice us. And if an extrovert finds out that we are there, they'll make sure that everybody knows about us. It's true. Okay, hey Toto. Hey Toto. It's not knife. It's knife. The K is silent, just like you. I'm like, okay, cunt. Hey, the C is not silent, just like you. Although we introverts, we hate extroverts, you know. All of us, we have this one extrovert person in our life. You guys know this, right? All introverts, we latch on to one extrovert person and survive. I also have this one extrovert person. It's my extrovert friend from college. And it's my friend's responsibility that I'm having fun in my life. I want to be clear, nobody gave her that responsibility. Yeah, she just came to my house one day and she just took it. Yeah, I was sitting watching TV, she came like, hey Toads, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm just existing. Please. Keti, no, you can't do that. Okay, here's the plan. We'll go to a party, we'll have a few drinks, we'll meet new people, it'll be super fun. Okay, come. I told her I feel awkward meeting new people. I don't feel comfortable around them at all. She went like, Okay, here's the new plan. We'll go to that party. We'll have a few drinks. We'll all share our most embarrassing stories. Then we'll get to know everyone. Yeah? Then we'll have super fun. All right? Come. And she just took me. And you know how extroverts are, right? If they have decided that they'll play a game at a party, they'll play that game at that party. Yeah. So as soon as we entered the party, she convinced everyone to play that game. And before we started, she introduced me to her friends. Hey guys, before we start, meet my friend Toto. He's a stand-up comedian. His favorite color is green. Oh, Toto, let's start with you. Tell us your most embarrassing moment. This. This is the most embarrassing moment of my life. You telling everyone that I, a 32-year-old, I have a favorite color. It does not get any worse than this. See, I feel I started on the wrong foot. I don't want to portray that having an extrovert friend has only a negative side. Okay, they have some positives too. Like if you have an extrovert friend, they'll fight your battles for you. Yeah. Like, for example, if you're in a restaurant, you don't like your food, who's going to tell the waiter? Not me, right? Yeah. That's why I always go out with my extrovert friend only. She'll to fight the waiter for me. Or the manager, passionately, if required, you know. The only downside is a lot of times I have to eat food with people spit in it. Or something much worse. But hey, at least my friend has my back. Yeah, that counts for something. I feel, extrovert people, they're nice only at heart. It's just that once you're having a one-on-one conversation with them, no, they don't know what to share, what not to share. No filter. Like in the same party, after we played that game, I was standing in my corner drinking my beer. Okay? A guy came up to me, started to make small talk. I'm like, another extrovert. I noticed he's not drinking. So I asked him, bro, where's the beer? Should I get you one? So that I can get away. हम introverts ऐसे ही करते हैं. He said, no, bro, I'm not drinking. I'm like, oh, nice. Nice. कहता, no, bro, I'm high on life. I was shocked. How do you get high on life, यार? मेरी life में तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा. I can get high on life. I asked him, bro, how do you get high on life? कहता, bro, एक secret है. मैं कहा, tell ना, bro. इतने में ही मान गया. Extroverts. कहता, bro, बहुत simple है. बाहर जा, एक रस्सी लेके आ. I'm like, okay. कह रहा, एक छोर पंखे से बांध दे. I'm like, okay. कह रहा, दूसरा छोर कस के गले से बांध दे. Now I'm scared, but also very curious. I'm like, okay, फिर कुछ नहीं bro, बस हिलाना शुरू करते हैं. I'm like, what? मैं कहा bro, ये नहीं शेयर करना था. Extroverts in the house, हर चीज़ नहीं शेयर कर देते हैं. कुछ चीज़ें अंदर भी रखते हैं दबा के. Yeah. Me and that guy, we became friends. So, damn it, these extrovert people know how to make friends. यार मैं क्या करूँ? But our friendship was very short-lived. He died in an accident. We had to cover it as a suicide, for optical reasons. Yeah. Gave a totally new meaning to the word khudkushi. We introverts, we don't have this oversharing wala problem. Because we don't even like to have conversations. Yeah, that's true. Morning to evening, my whole day goes into making sure that I'm having the minimum number of conversations. Like I wake up in the morning, I leave for office before my wife wakes up. I know, देख के लगता नहीं होगा शादी हो रखी है, पर मैं गाजियाबाद से हूँ, हम लड़कियाँ उठा लेते हैं. पर मैं सुबह सुबह अपनी वाइफ को जगा के क्या बात करूँगा, राइट? मुझे ऑफिस निकलना है, ज़रा सा बाय बोलूँगा, गुड बाय किस दूंगा, है ना? आई ऑलरेडी हैव माई मेड फॉर दैट. वो जागी हुई है यार, कम ऑन. आई गो टू ऑफिस, आई डोंट टॉक टू एनीवन. वो मुझसे कुछ भी पूछते हैं, मैं पीपीटी बना के भेज देता हूँ. यही चाहिए उनको, क्योंकि पर एक बार एक बंदे ने ऑफेंस ले लिया. आया मेरे पास, कहता टोटो हमने तो टीम लंच के लिए पूछा था, ये पीपीटी क्यों भेज दिया? हम लाइक खोल के देखो, नो लिखा हुआ है उसमें. यूजलेस कॉन्वर्सेशंस ना आई लाइक टू अवॉइड. I go back home in the evening, then I can no longer avoid my wife. I have to have the first real conversation of the day. And within 30 seconds, I'm reminded why I don't. Because my wife, she's already shouting at me. Why did you kiss the maid? Why did you kiss the maid? I have to explain it to her every fucking time, every fucking time. I'm an introvert. I'm not a pervert. Okay? I don't want to kiss anyone who's sleeping without their consent. Yeah? I want to do it forcibly while they're awake, like real men do. See, आप लोगों को लग रहा है कैसी कैसी बातें कर रहा है, पर हम इंट्रोवर्ट्स ऐसे ही सोचते हैं, ठीक है? हम इसलिए ही ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते, हमें मालूम है लोग जज करेंगे. And I too was born an introvert into a Punjabi family. It was a nightmare for both me and my parents. My parents always wanted कि मैं हमेशा बाहर जाऊँ, लोगों से घुलूँ मिलूँ, पर मैं कहीं नहीं जाता था. मैं बस चुपचाप अपने कमरे में रहता था. मेरे पापा एक दिन वो इतना परेशान हो गए, उन्होंने आके मुझे ये भी कह दिया कि तू इंट्रोवर्ट से अच्छा तो गे निकल जाता. I asked him why. He said then at least you would have come out of the closet and gone somewhere. अभी तो तू यहीं पड़ा रहता है. उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे स्कूल भी इसी उम्मीद से भेजा कि मैं बच्चों से घुलूँगा मिलूँगा, बातें करूँगा, दोस्त बनाऊँगा. सारे बच्चे एक दूसरे के साथ स्कूल में खेल रहे होते थे, बातें कर रहे होते थे. मैं बस चुपचाप अपनी डेस्क पे अपनी नोटबुक में लोड़े बना रहा होता. I don't know why, okay? I don't know why. Maybe my dad's wish came true. पर कोई भी बच्चा ना मुझसे पंगे नहीं लेता था, मेरा मजाक नहीं उड़ाता था. मालूम है क्यों? क्योंकि कोई भी करता था ना ऐसा, फिर मैं उसकी नोटबुक में जाके खौफ था मेरा. मैं बड़ा हुआ, थोड़ा कॉलेज गया. कॉलेज जाने के लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था, बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक है? मैंने पहले ही पूरा कोर्स देख लिया था कि क्या क्या होता है, तो मैंने कॉलेज में ना पहला कदम रखते ही कोर्स के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ कर ली, प्यार. यार मुझे ना एक लड़की बहुत पसंद आई, बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई, पर मैं इतना इंट्रोवर्ट था, मैंने उस लड़की को बताया नहीं कि अब से वो मेरी बनती है. नहीं, हम कुछ लड़के नहीं बताते, हम ऐसे लड़कियों को सस्पेंस में रखते हैं कि उनको भी तो लगे आज मैं किसकी बंदी बन के घूम रहा हूं. मैंने बस अपनी एक्सट्रोवर्ट फ्रेंड को बता दिया कि वो लड़की मेरी बनती है. पर फिर धीरे धीरे पूरे कॉलेज को पता लग गया कि वो लड़की मेरी बंदी है. पूरा कॉलेज छोड़ो, उस लड़की के बंदे को पता लग गया कि उसकी बंदी मेरी बंदी है. वो आया मुझसे बात करने, पर वो भी ऐसे इंट्रोवर्ट था, तो हमने ज़्यादा बात नहीं की ऐसे. यहाँ तक तो चलता है कॉलेज में, थोड़ी बहुत मारपिटाई चलती है. पर उसके बाद उसने जाके अपनी बंदी को बता दिया कि वो मेरी बंदी है. फिर वो आई मुझसे बात करने, कहती कि टोटो हम तो एक दूसरे को अच्छे से जानते भी नहीं है, वाई यू स्प्रेडिंग ऑल दिस रूमर्स। मैंने कहा बस यही प्रॉब्लम है। मैंने कहा टेल मी योर मोस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट राइट नाउ। फिर हम एक दूसरे को अच्छे से जान गए। फिर हम दोनों ने मिलके उसके बंदे को नहीं बताया कि वो मेरी बंदी थी।